So if a high school student asked me my experience at SVSU, I would say it would be phenomenal. When I first came to SVSU, I didn't really engage with the campus. I would go to class, and then I would go home afterwards, and I really just felt isolated from campus. And eventually I joined some RSOs on campus, and I joined a study abroad program, and I met some of the best friends of my lifetime, and this has been one of the best experiences of my life. So when I was telling my family and friends that I was going to study abroad in Italy, they told me, see the Colosseum in Rome, see the Duomo in Florence, and see the main gondolas in Venice. And yes, I enjoyed all of those experiences. However, the little parts of Italy had been my favorite experiences. So after doing a wine tasting excursion in a little town in Asolo, we had lunch in the city and got gelato, and eventually we climbed a mountain. And this was all unexpected after simply wine tasting, and one of the best experiences of my life with some of my best friends ever. So this was my favorite experience studying abroad in Italy. SVSU is your place if you make it your place. So join in, engage with the campus, and you'll find your Cardinal community.